Hello everyone, I'm Rose here from Korean class. 안녕하세요 여러분, 저는 로즈입니다. Today we are gonna study enjoyable conversation. 오늘은 저희가 재미있는 말놀이를 배워볼 거예요. 재미있는 means enjoyable, 말놀이 is conversation or talking. Okay? Let's have a look. So patient saying, patient in Korean is 환자, and doctor, look at the doctor, in Korean is 의사. Okay, so patient saying, 콜록콜록, 아이 추워. Actually, we didn't learn that black color words, but doesn't matter. We just learning conversation, okay? We just, on the last video, we learned ending consonant, 미음. So we know the gray color letter, okay? 콜록콜록, 아이 추워. That means 콜록콜록 is coughing sound. So this is cough. 콜록콜록, 아이 추워. 추워 means cold. So it's like it's cold. 아이 추워. 아이 means just not, there's no means. It's like oh, ah, okay? 아이 추워 is cold. And 기억 plus 기, 치읓 plus and ending consonants, 미음. So 기침이 나요. 기침 is cough. So that means 기침이 나요 is I have a cough. 기침 is cough. 기침이 나요. I have a cough. And 미음, 오, 미음. 몸이 아프고 H-E-I, 미음 is M. 힘이 없어요. 몸이 아프고 힘이 없어요. That means 몸이 아프고 is I feel sick. 아프고 and 힘이 없어요. That means no energy. 없어요 means no, and energy is 힘. Okay? It's energy. 몸이 아프고 힘이 없어요. I feel sick and no energy. So, doctor respond, 저런 means just oh. 기억, G-I is A. M ending consonant, 미음, 기억, G and E is I. 저런 감기에 걸렸구나. 감기 is cold. It's like cold. 감기에 걸렸구나. That means you caught a cold. Okay? 감기에 걸렸구나. You caught a cold. Okay? 감기 is cold. So this cold is just degree. It's very low. So this is just cold weather like that. Cold. And ice is also cold. That means, and this cold is cough. Humans coughing. Okay. The situation is cold. 저런, 감기에 걸렸구나. Oh, you caught the cold. And then 약을 먹고, 약 is medicine. 약 is medicine. 약을 먹고, so this is take a pill or take medicine. Medicine. And 지읒 is J and R-A. Ending consonant 미음 잠. 잠을 푹 자렴. 잠 is sleep. Sleep. So this is 잠을 푹 자렴 is sleep well. Sleep is 잠. 푹 자렴. Just sleep well. So I'm gonna say everything one more time. So patient, 환자가 말합니다. Patient saying, 환자가 말합니다. 콜록. I 추워. It's cold. 기침이 나요. I have a cough. 몸이 아프고 힘이 없어요. I feel sick and no energy. So doctor saying, doctor respond, 의사가 대답합니다. 저런, 감기에 걸렸구나. You caught a cold. 저런, 감기에 걸렸구나. And 약을 먹고 잠을 푹 자렴. 약을 먹고 잠을 푹 자렴. Take medicine and sleep well. Okay? So thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you later, guys. 나중에 봐요. 뿅.